Hi, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to file a copyright claim dispute for in-game songs, or if you're doing a movie review or anything like that. But this happens to me from playing games on the PS4, and they're built-in songs to the game. And the last time I disputed one from Life is Strange, they released it. I posted a video about that. But I'm actually going to document the process of creating the actual dispute. I'm going to go here and click on that and say View Copyright Claim Details. And then this is the one. I just submitted this one. It was two from the same video. So I'm going to go click on the action and then say dispute, and then check this, scroll down and check this box, and then click continue. Okay, so right here you're going to select fair use. Okay, that's the right one to pick. And then you're going to scroll down and hit the checkbox. Okay, and then the type of fair use you can see here: reaction video, dance video, gameplay is the one I'm going to pick. But there's lots of fair use categories. But for this one I'm going to do gameplay, and then it asks for a little comment. Why is your use of the claimed content an example of fair use? And it's a required field. So I'm going to paste what I put on that one I just submitted. I'm going to try to. Okay. And what I put was the music in question. Thanks. Now I get to fix the typo on this one. Is built. Golly, I look like a fool. Into the Life is Strange video game that I was playing on a PS4 live stream, in which had permissions to use the song. Put it in here. That sounds better. Sorry for my pasted grammar issues. And then I believe there's, yeah. So you're going to check these boxes off, that what you believe your dispute is about is true, the reasoning, and then you're going to type your name and then hit submit. The dispute is being sent to the claimant for review. They have 30 days to review the dispute, and then you'll get an email with the outcome. The last time I disputed one for this game, they released it. I disputed two of them on Last of Us. One got denied, so I removed the, I just muted the song from the video. And I'll probably do the same thing. If they deny the dispute, then you might as well just mute the song. It depends on how important it is for you. So that's how you create the free use copyright claim dispute. Thank you.